Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Saeco Xelsis with us in the shop. And I came in for the issue that these buttons here, the power and the brew button, they were faulting a little bit. What was happening, at least on the brew side, this was prone to double clicking, so if you were to click it, it'll actually click it twice. Which means that like if you're brewing a drink, you click it once, it'll start the drink, but then if the machine's programmed, if you click it again, it'll instantly cancel the drink. So I was experiencing that with this machine. And also the customer said he was experiencing the machine just shutting off and popping or just not turning on for a long time. So we did end up replacing the motherboard. Here is the old one in here. We replaced it with an all new one. You can see the two buttons, this one being for the power, this side being for the brewing. And then so once we installed the switch, we tested the machine for 4 days, which is today will be the 4th. And yeah, we come to the conclusion that the machine seems to be working much better. You're going to see here by just clicking once on the left side, it's going to turn on the machine. The buttons are very sensitive to the clicks, which is nice. That's kind of what you want. They're very snappy. Let me get some water in the machine and we can test it. Now that we have water, we're going to go inside here. It's going to do its rinse cycle. We're just going to pour a little bit of water out the spouts just to kind of clean them out. And then we're going to brew a shot. We're going to brew about 2 shots for today just to kind of show the machine working. Good rinse cycle, nice and strong. Now we're going to brew an espresso. Just make sure that there's coffee in the top. We're going to hit espresso, and then you're going to notice that click. It's going to be instant, as you can see. And it clicks nice. So this is where the old board would actually malfunction, because if I were to click this once, it'll start grinding, but then it'll also cancel the shot right after because you double clicked it twice. But with this new board, I haven't been able to experience that. Now we're going to brew another one. We just need a little bit more coffee. Let's do regular coffee this time. So we'll click this once. Click the button once. Going to go into brewing. This one's going to run for much longer because it is a coffee, so it does brew for a much longer time than the espresso. And now I'm going to just turn it off to show the cycle. Just wait for it here. Let it get back to home position, then turn off. Now it's going to do a rinsing cycle to clean out those spots. But as you can see, the buttons are working really nice. Everything's pretty fast. And yeah, everything's just very responsive now, much more than the old board. And on top of that, I haven't been able to experience any of the issues that were mentioned before. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.